Strategies for financial success. In this educational content, we will explore various strategies and tips that can help you build wealth and achieve financial success. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Setting your financial goals. The first step towards financial success is setting clear and achievable financial goals. Take some time to envision what you want to accomplish in the short term and long term. It could be buying a house, starting a business, or planning for retirement. Whatever it may be, having a tangible goal will help you stay focused and motivated. Start by determining the timeline for each goal and the amount of money required to achieve them. Break them down into smaller milestones, making them easier to track and celebrate when achieved. Remember, the power of goal setting lies in its ability to provide direction and purpose to your financial journey. Creating a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps in managing your expenses, tracking your income, and identifying areas where you can save money. Creating a budget is crucial for achieving financial success. Start by listing all your sources of income, whether it's from your job, investments, or any other sources. Next, track your expenses by categorizing them into fixed, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and variable, such as dining out, entertainment. Look for areas where you can cut back on expenses and identify areas where you can save more. Ensure you allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Remember, a well-planned budget can lay the foundation for building wealth. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key components of wealth building. Start by establishing an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, to protect yourself from any unforeseen circumstances. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and safeguards your financial stability. After setting up your emergency fund, it's time to explore different investment options. Research various investment vehicles like stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. Understand their risks, potential returns, and align them with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's advisable to seek guidance from a financial advisor or do thorough research before investing your hard-earned money. The power of compound interest over time can significantly grow your wealth. So start early and be consistent with your contributions. Managing debt. Managing debt is an essential part of your financial journey. Start by assessing your current debt situation. Identify high-interest debt, such as credit cards, and develop a plan to pay them off as quickly as possible. Explore strategies like debt consolidation or refinancing to make your debt more manageable. It's important to avoid accumulating unnecessary debt by practicing responsible borrowing habits. Consider taking a pause before making impulsive purchases and assess if it aligns with your overall financial goals. Remember, financial discipline is crucial when managing debt and building wealth simultaneously. Diversifying income sources. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Take the opportunity to explore ways to diversify your income streams. This could include starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or earning passive income through investments like dividend stocks or peer-to-peer lending. Diversification provides stability and reduces the impact of economic downturns or unforeseen circumstances. It allows you to create multiple income streams that work together to build your wealth over time. Continuously educating yourself. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and developments by attending workshops, webinars, or reading educational books on personal finance. Knowledge is power when it comes to building wealth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who prioritize financial success and engage in conversations about money management. Additionally, seek guidance from financial experts or professionals who can provide valuable insights and help you navigate through your financial journey. Strategies for financial success. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and consistency. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, saving and investing wisely, managing debt, diversifying income sources, and continuously educating yourself, you can pave your way to a financially successful future. Best of luck on your journey.